In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Docs spreadsheet. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is go on Google or Google Drive and just sign into your Google account. So for example, if you were on just Google and you just search for Google Sheets, best result should come back with a Google Workspace page. Go ahead and just open that up. You may have to sign in. And then once you're here, you can create a new spreadsheet. You could take one of the templates in the template gallery up here to start with. And any ones you've edited or modified recently should appear down here. You just want to create a blank one. Just select blank spreadsheet at the top. And if you want to name it, you can do that up at the top too. You can change it if you want. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.